there! Are you ready to repurpose your content across different platforms? Let's dive right in. Before we do that, let me introduce you to the 4 workflow types you can choose from. First, you can repurpose existing content. This takes videos you've already posted and automatically schedules and publishes them to another platform quickly and easily. Next, there's repurposing future content. Every time you upload something new, it gets automatically published to your chosen platform within about 2 hours or less. Let's not forget creating clips from long-form content. Transform those long-form videos into short, shareable snippets. They're perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. And lastly, you can back up all your content. Save all of your existing and future content directly to Google Drive or Dropbox so you never lose it. Now, let's begin with repurposing existing content. Whether you're repurposing TikTok videos or any other content, the steps are quite similar. First up, connect your accounts. Start by connecting your selected source content. For this example, we'll be using TikTok as the source. When the login screen appears, make sure you're selecting the correct account. If it's not the right one, click Switch Account and choose the correct one. Next, connect your selected destination platform. For this example, we'll choose YouTube. Go ahead and connect, then follow the steps to grant permissions. Hit Continue. Now click Create Workflow. With just one click, you can automatically schedule up to 5 videos per day from your TikTok library to YouTube Shorts, starting from your newest videos to the oldest. The third step is to customize your schedule. Decide how many videos to post daily. For this demonstration, I'll choose 5. You can even customize the specific posting times if you like. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click Enable Automation, and that's it. Your existing TikTok videos will now be posted automatically to YouTube Shorts. Based on your schedule, Repurpose.io will use your TikTok caption to generate a shorter YouTube title and use the full caption as the YouTube description. Want to tweak titles, descriptions, or tags? Click Edit next to any video. Not interested in publishing a specific video? Click Cancel to remove it. Now, what if you want every new TikTok you publish to automatically post to YouTube Shorts? Here's how you set it up. Click Create New Workflow on the top right. Change the workflow type to Future Content. Select or connect your TikTok account or your selected platform. Select or connect your source platform. In this example, we'll use TikTok again. Select or connect your destination platform. Hit Create Workflow. And that's it. Every time you post a new TikTok, it'll automatically be published to the destination within 2 hours or less. Easy, fun, and done. And as a side note, the process for existing content workflows and future content workflows are almost identical for all the sources and destinations. Start automating today and watch your social media audience grow.